Leah's got one of my other GoPros up there. She's 150 yards or more away from me. I can hear her up there narrating her video. This could be epic.
Oh man, it's not terrible. We're gonna try something right over here. We finally made it to the waterfall. I don't know if there's anything big in here, but there's at least some little buddies. And it sure is pretty. It was flowing a lot more last year than it was this year. Rain. Need rain down here bad. Bad, bad, bad. We're just not getting anything. They need it. These rivers are low. Spring fed. Everything's spring fed. As that aquifer goes down, so does the river. Got something. Looky there. He's a nice one. Well, come here. Just come right over here to Mama, buddy. I mean, he's not big, but he's not tiny either. I caught some baby bassies, but not this one. Looky there. Pretty good little buddy. Hi there. All right, there you go. If we're lucky, we'll just catch him again. How about that? Well, sometimes I think we do. Just catch him over and over. Maybe. He got me all wrapped up though. Wrapped up around my feet. See where I'm at now. Oh. Look at all the minnows. You'd think they'd be feasting on those. I know you minnows want that too, but you're just too little. Too little. Oh man, what do I have going on? Shoot. I thought I was unhooked. Dadgummit. Look at that. Well, that wasn't terrible, but come on, we need that to quit happening. Now are we good? Jeez. Oh man, right on the rocks. You better not get caught or I'm going to be mad. I really want to just, oh, looky there. I forgot to put that other one on my counter. Now I got to add 2 to my counter. I think this is another little bass. Look at you. Aw, dadgummit. Hate that. I was being too easy with you because you're a baby. Well, we'll see if that happens again. It's not happening again. Come on. Still have to put my one on the counter. Maybe we'll do it after this cast. Wish I could see it. I'm not good at seeing that fly out there. Oh, there it is. Now I see it. There's nothing around. I think I don't know. I just don't see them very well. Well, nothing on that one. Uh-oh. Please don't get hung on the rock. That makes me so mad. Now I can just let it float. I kind of want to get it across. Right over there. Let's go right over there. I wonder if I can do it. Nope, not with the wind blowing that way. It's going to go right where the wind wants to take it. Oh, please don't. Let's check you out, make sure you're all right still. Oh, well, if the minnows would leave you alone, it could. Oh yeah, we're good. We are good. Golly, that wind. Feels good. It is a hot day. The breeze feels real good. Not ready for 100-degree weather in June, the beginning of June. Ah, I think you had a bite. I think you had it, little man. There. That's where I want it is, over there. Come on, little buddy. You're kind of small. I don't know if you can do it. I don't know if you can. Maybe that's Tim coming back. Oh no, he's not even downriver yet. He lost his net. Didn't realize he didn't have it. Now he's got to go look for it, but he can't just go down there without fishing those fishing holes. He is the ultimate fishing addict, that's for sure. He likes it. And me, I just like the river, especially this one. I don't care what I'm doing. I just love to be in the river. You can give me a chair, give me an inner tube, or you give me a fishing pole, and I am happy. Happy, happy, happy. I could just jump in right there, I think. It's hot. Okay. I'd like to just go sit right in that. Man, that would be good. See what happens if I get up here a little higher. Kind of getting that slow and then move on over to this fast water. Oh, I see ya. You want it? Do you want it? Come on. No? how deep that is. Years and years of water. Look what it does. This is just absolutely gorgeous when the water's running all over it. It is gorgeous. Last year it was coming down in about 5 places. Oh, do I have a fish on? Holy cow, come here. Well, has anybody ever caught a fish as little as this? You are a mess. I mean, seriously. Seriously, I caught a minnow. Look at that. I don't even know how he got on there. And I don't know if I can get him off without killing him. He's tiny. You are something. I bet that was a shocker. Yeah, I bet it was. That fly's as big as you were. Oh, I got to do like 3. Keep forgetting. I'd love to just sit down right there. Wonder if I could sit down and fish. You think I could do it? Because man, it looks so refreshing. I just want to be in the water. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Move down here a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna work, but boy howdy, I'm gonna try it. Look at that. Maybe I can't cast very well. Not that I really need to cast very well. Oh, that feels so good. It's cool. This is the Frio. It's supposed to be cold, and it is not. I told Tim I needed to find a good spring coming in, and once again, no rain. We need rain bad. I'd like to be down about 2 more feet, really. Ah, dang it. Okay. I know this isn't like true fly fishing. I'm being a little bit lazy and enjoying the water. But the master's not here right now, so I can have a little bit of a break. I'm pretty good at going for a while, but I get tired. And then I hear the famous last words, 5 more casts. I'm just gonna cast 3 more times, 15 more minutes. It's never just 5 or 15 or 3, never, which is okay. I guess it's okay. Man, I want it in it up to my neck is what I want. That is what let's get this thing off. Ooh, that helps. That helps. My phone is in there. It's probably getting overheated. Man, this water's pretty. I have seen this river come on a 30-foot flood before. That is some power that you cannot imagine. I used to do it all the time when I was a kid. Not so much these days, but it is something. Small town. I mean, that was the best thing, was go down to the dry riverbed and watch the wall of water come down. It's impressive. It is impressive. Those are just the things you do when you live in a little South Texas town. They're not even wanting to bite, and I don't really care. I just sit here, enjoy this water. I'm wondering if I could get down a little bit lower. Go sit right over there and let my legs hang off. Like that. Tim would say I'd be messing up the fishing, but sure does look appealing right there. It's a little harder for me to tell when I get a bite in this fast-moving water. Obviously, I've pulled two up not even knowing they were on the line. Of course, they were little, but still. All those minnows. Just can't beat this clear South Texas water. That is for sure.